Hi, I'm Emma. I'll show you how to automatically repost your tweets using Circleboom, an official X enterprise developer, so your content keeps getting seen without extra work. First, open Circleboom Twitter and click X Post Planner plus AI Writer from the left menu. Then select Write and Plan Your Post to start creating a new tweet. Then write your tweet in the editor. You can type it yourself or click the AI Writer button and let Circleboom generate a tweet idea based on your topic. After that, add a visual to make your tweet more engaging. Click Add Image or Video, upload a file from your device, choose one from Unsplash, or create a design directly with Canva. Next, highlight the part of your tweet you want to style and open the Font Generator toolbar. Apply formatting like bold, italic, underline, or other font styles so important parts of your tweet stand out in the feed. Then scroll down and enable Auto Repost, Un-repost. Set how long Circleboom should wait before reposting your tweet, and choose when the repost should automatically be removed. You can repeat this cycle so the same tweet gets multiple chances to appear in different timelines. Finally, click Schedule. Choose the date and time you want your tweet to go live, or click Find Your Best Posting Time to let Circleboom suggest the most active time for your audience. Now let's look at how to automate reposts for tweets you've already posted. First, go to the left-hand menu and click Post Management and Analytics. Then choose Post Analytics from the drop-down. Inside that section, click Post Engagement Analytics to see the full performance breakdown of your tweets, including impressions, likes, reposts, and replies. Then browse through your tweets and find the ones worth reusing. Circleboom gives you several options here. You can click Reschedule Popular Tweets to repost a tweet at a better time if it didn't get the engagement it deserved the first time. After that, if a tweet feels outdated, click Refresh Content with AI. Circleboom's AI can rewrite or improve the tweet so it feels fresh while keeping the core idea. And if you have evergreen tweets that still perform well, click Set Auto Retweets. This lets Circleboom automatically repost those tweets at regular intervals so they keep reaching new audiences over time. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!